Welcome back, this is Olivia, and guys, you are watching my biography channel BioStars. Today, I'm going to describe the biography of Hansika Motwani. Who is Hansika Motwani? The Bab star Hansika Motwani is a popular actress of the South Indian film industry. Started her career as a child artist, the originating queen faced several ups and downs to get to have reached a position where is up today. Her realm in the film industry started off with Bollywood film Hawa 2003, and she has done more than 35 films to date. Let's know about her biography. Hansika Motwani was born in the 9th of August 1991 in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. She is currently 29 years old. Birth name Hansika Motwani. Nickname Baby Motu. Profession actress. Date of birth August 9, 1991. Age 29 years old. Place of birth Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Nationality Indian. Sun sign Leo. Ethnicity Sindhi. Religion Buddhism. Let's know about her early life, family and education. Hansika Motwani is the daughter of Pradeep Motwani, a businessman, and Mona Motwani, a dermatologist. She has a brother named Prashant Motwani. She attended Podar International School in Mumbai and then enrolled at the International Curriculum School in Santa Cruz, Mumbai. Let's know about her personal life. Hansika had briefly dated actor Silamarasan, and they have worked in a couple of Tamil films. The couple broke off their relationship citing personal issues. Let's know about her physical statistics. Height 5 feet 5 inches. Weight 59 kg or 130 pounds. Body build slim. Eye color light brown. Hair color black. Sexuality straight. Shoe size 8 EVs. Dress size 6 EVs. Distinctive features plump lips. Let's know about her professional statistics. Film debut. Hansika Motwani was first starred in 2003 in the film Hawa as a child artist. She made her debut as heroine in 2007 Telugu film Desa Muduru as Vaishali, which earned her a Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut South. The same year, she made her Hindi debut with Aapka Sarur and was nominated for Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut. In 2008, she embarked into the Kannada film industry with Bindas. In 2011, she made her Tamil debut with Mappilai alongside Dhanush. Television debut. She appeared in a Hindi television soap opera Desh Mein Nikala Hoga Chand as Thina from 2001 to 2003. Brand endorsements. Hansika has worked with several brands for their television commercials and print ads like Nirma. Let's know about her awards accomplishments. Indian Tele Award for Child Artist of the Year, Desh Mein Nikala Hoga Chand 2003. Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut South, Desa Muduru. Seema Award for Best Debutant Actress Tamil, Mappilai. Seema Award for Special Appreciations as Actress Telugu, Kandi Reja. Chennai Times Film Award for Most Promising Newcomer Female, Mappilai. Edison Award for Best Actress Urukal Kannadi. Seema Award for Best Actress Tamil, Urukal Kannadi. Let's know about her net worth. Known for her beautiful smile, Hansika Motwani charges 80 lakh rupees to 1 crore per film. She has a net worth of $3 million US. She embarked her film career from a young age and has appeared in television series and shows, films and advertisements. The gorgeous damsel owns a Shanky BMW 5 Series. She lives with her family in a luxury apartment in the posh area of Mumbai. Let's know about her favorites. Food: Rajma Chawal, idli, Thai food. Actor: Gerard Butler. Actress: Laitna Thun, Madhuri Dixit, Nini Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Film: Oh My Friend, Bindas Style. Color: white, black and orange. Place: Jaipur, Dubai, London, Paris. Brand: Gucci, Armani. Sport: football. Let's know about her facts. Hansika Motwani was discovered by actress Juhi Chawla, who influenced her to take up a career in cinema. Her parents divorced when she was young and was brought up by her another older alone in Mumbai. Hansika ventured into film industry at the age of 16 in a lead role in Puri Jagannathan's Telugu film Disamudaru opposite Allu Arjun. In free time, she lives clicking perfect snaps and listening to music. Not to mention, she is a big fan of Chelsea Football Club. She's fluent in different Indian languages like Telugu, Hindi, Tulu and English. So guys, many thanks for staying with us. No more now. See you later with biography of another stars. Take care. Bye.